Whether you just signed up for CoinTracker or you have had an account for a while but never fully set it up, this video is your complete walkthrough. We are going from account creation all the way through to generating your tax reports and filing, covering every step in between. Let's get into it. Create your account and choose your plan. Start by going to cointracker.io and signing up for an account. You can register with your email address or link an existing Google account for a faster setup. During onboarding, you will be asked to select a plan. CoinTracker offers a free tier that covers basic portfolio tracking, which is a good starting point if you want to explore the platform before committing to a paid plan. Paid plans unlock tax report generation, deeper analytics, and priority support, with pricing based on your transaction volume. Once your account is created, set up two-factor authentication before you do anything else. This adds a layer of security to your account, given that it will soon hold visibility into all your financial activity. Finally, confirm that your base currency and tax jurisdiction are set correctly in your account settings. These two settings affect how every calculation in CoinTracker is displayed and which tax rules the platform applies to your transactions. Connect your exchanges via API. The next step is connecting your data sources, and you want to start with your exchanges. For each exchange you use, go into that exchange's settings and create a new API key. When setting up the key, select Read-Only Permissions Only. This gives CoinTracker the ability to view your transaction history without any ability to place trades or move funds. It is a critical security step that should never be skipped. Once your key is generated, go to the Wallet section in CoinTracker, click Add Wallet, find your exchange in the list, and paste in your API key credentials. CoinTracker will begin importing your full transaction history automatically. Do this for every exchange you use, including ones you have not been active on recently. Every platform matters for maintaining an accurate cost basis chain going back to your earliest transactions. Add your wallets and blockchain addresses. For decentralized wallets like MetaMask, Phantom, Ledger, or Trust Wallet, the connection method is your public wallet address rather than an API key. Open your wallet app or extension and copy your public receiving address for the relevant blockchain. In CoinTracker, go to Add Wallet, select your wallet type or blockchain, and paste the address in. CoinTracker will read your on-chain transaction history directly from the blockchain using that address. A few important points here. For Bitcoin wallets, use your XPub address rather than a single receiving address. This ensures CoinTracker tracks all addresses generated by your wallet, not just one. For multi-chain wallets, add each blockchain separately, because each network has its own unique address format. And for wallets with multiple accounts, add each account individually. As with exchanges, add every wallet you own, including ones you rarely use. Use CSV uploads for gaps. Some platforms do not support API connections, and some exchanges only provide partial history through their API. For these situations, use CSV uploads to fill in the gaps. Log into the platform in question, find the transaction history or tax export section, and download a CSV file covering the period you need. Then go into CoinTracker and upload it manually under the relevant exchange or wallet. When uploading, be careful not to create duplicate entries. If CoinTracker has already pulled in some transactions from that platform via API, only upload the CSV for the date range that is actually missing. Overlapping imports create duplicate transactions that inflate your activity and distort your calculations. After every CSV upload, go to the Transactions page and confirm the imported data looks correct. Review and reconcile your transactions. Once all your accounts are connected and your data is imported, do not skip straight to generating reports. Take time to review and reconcile first. Go to the Transactions page and look for anything flagged as needing attention. Common flags include missing cost basis, unmatched transfers, missing market prices, and transactions that could not be automatically categorized. Work through each one and resolve it before moving on. Pay particular attention to transfers between your own wallets, These should be labeled as transfers in CoinTracker, rather than sales or purchases. If both wallets are connected, CoinTracker usually matches them automatically. If one wallet is missing from your account, the transfer will not resolve correctly and may generate a phantom capital gain. Also check that staking rewards, airdrops, and DeFi income are categorized correctly as income rather than trades. The tax treatment is different, and getting the classification wrong affects your final report. Generate your tax reports. With your transactions clean and reconciled, navigate to the tax center in CoinTracker. Start by confirming your cost basis method. FIFO, or first in, first out, is the default for most U.S. investors and is used by CoinTracker unless you change it. If you want to use HIFO, or highest in, first out, which often produces a lower taxable gain, change this in your tax settings before generating any reports. Whatever method you choose, apply it consistently. CoinTracker will automatically calculate your capital gains and losses and your crypto income based on your transaction history and the cost basis method selected. Review the summary in the tax center before downloading anything. Look for any figures that seem unusually high or low, as these often point to an unresolved transaction issue worth investigating before you file. Once you are satisfied with the numbers, download your tax reports. For U.S. investors, that means Form 8949 and Schedule D. File your taxes. With your reports downloaded, you have two main options for filing. The first is direct export to tax software. CoinTracker integrates directly with TurboTax and H&R Block, allowing you to push your crypto data into your tax return without manually re-entering anything. This is the fastest path for most U.S. investors and significantly reduces the chance of transcription errors. The second option is downloading your reports and providing them to your accountant or tax professional. CoinTracker generates reports in formats that are standard for tax professionals, so handing these over is straightforward if you work with someone for your annual filing. Whichever route you take, make sure you answer the digital asset question on Form 1040 accurately. The IRS requires every taxpayer to disclose whether they received, sold, or exchanged digital assets during the year. Leaving it blank when you have had activity is not an option. That is the complete CoinTracker workflow from start to finish. Set up your account, connect everything, fill in the gaps, review your transactions, confirm your settings, generate your reports, and file. Follow each step in order, and you will have an accurate, complete tax report you can actually trust. If this helped, drop a comment below. And for more step-by-step crypto tool guides like this one, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. B-roll, CoinTracker.io, CoinTracker homepage, clean closing visual.